AI versus teachers. Who wins in the new age of learning? AI is grading essays. AI is answering questions. AI is even making lesson plan. So, do we need teachers anymore? Let's find out who truly wins in the new age of learning, AI or human teachers. Now, question is, what can AI do? Let's give AI some credit. Today's tool can personalize learning, grade papers in seconds, translate languages in real time, and even tutor students 24 by 7. They save time, they scale fast, and they never get tired. What do human teachers bring? But here is the twist. While AI excels at efficiency, it still cannot empathize. It can't see the fear in a student's eyes before an exam. It can't meditate a conflict in the playground. And it can't inspire students to love learning the way a real human can. A teacher, though, might notice the student just lost interest and motivate them with a game, a story, or a real world application. So, who wins? Actually, both when they work together. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace teachers, it is here to empower them. Think of artificial intelligence as the ultimate teaching assistant, handling the routine so teachers can focus on what truly matters: relationships, creativity, and inspiration. In the new age of learning, the real winner is the student. When human empathy meets machine intelligence. So, do you think AI will ever replace teachers? Where technology meets teaching and learning never stops. Now let me know if you are a teacher. What is your favorite AI tool so far? Thank you.